starting off the day with Earn by Time today. There's peak pay, and I think the current rate is at $20 an hour, which I think is going to mean that I'm not going to get a lot of orders. But as I'm saying that, I'm heading to the first order already. This is a Taco Bell. This one's going 6 miles.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Do you have a 4-digit check-in code or an order already placed?
There you go.
Thank you. That wait was a little excessive. Almost 15 minutes for 2 items. No tip on that one. Nice. Total for that one was $10. Average wait time is 3 to 7 minutes, it says. Just got this one. This is a Taco Bell, $7 going 4 miles.
Hey, what can I get started for you tonight?
Thank you. I'd say that wait wasn't as long, but still too long for my liking. Average wait time is 1 to 4 minutes, by the way. Meanwhile, it's been at least 30 since the last DoorDash offer was given to me. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 5 miles. Heading right back to Starbucks. This one is $10 going just under 4 miles.
There you go. I recommend holding it by the sides, not by the handle.
Gotcha, thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $9 going 4 miles. Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got this right away. It is a Black Rock coffee, $7 going 2.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Because you would actually like it.
Next order up is Don Pedro. This one's $11 going 6.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Wow, they would give me this just now. This is a Starbucks, $9 and change going 2 miles. Unfortunately, I can't do it because I gotta drop this one off.
Hello.
Morning.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. So I pulled up to that drop off, second in line. I guess they ordered a drink. I'm assuming a Coke or a Pepsi, maybe a root beer, but that's all they ordered. So I'm not sure why they ordered from 2 different places. Also, DoorDash just ended my shift as per usual, and they're letting me go back online immediately, which is okay. But the funny thing is, DoorDash being DoorDash, they're saying that the peak pay is plus $4. Okay, that sounds really good, but once I'm online and check the promotion for the peak pay, it's saying $2. Very interesting, DoorDash. I mean, not like I'm getting orders from them anyways, but why are you lying? Next order up is a Taco Bell. This one is going about 3 miles. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. It says, do not knock. Please leave in front of garage. Total for that was just under $8. That one was pretty good. And got this right away. This is a Black Rock coffee, $7 going 2.5 miles.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Well, I ordered coffee.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Literally almost drove by this one, but they gave me this order for habaneros. This one is going like 2 miles. Lobby's supposed to be open, but I guess we're not doing that today. total for that one was $6. Okay, I think time to go home. Current time is 9:07. Total is like 95, I think. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.